If you've ever been working in WordPress and ran into an error like this, you're probably wondering, how do I check WordPress error logs? Because this message doesn't really help you identify the issue and fix it. Well, I'm going to show you how. The first method is to access your site's file system via SFTP or FTP. Once you've done that, you need to find the wp-config file, which is located right about here. And then you need to find the correct area to add some code, where you'll define WP Debug and WP Debug log as true. These are just constants that tell WordPress how to handle debug logging. Once you've edited your WP config file, you can go in and re-trigger the error. You'll get a more helpful message, and also here in the WP content folder on your site, you'll see a debug.log file that has all the details. But it's kind of a hassle to sift through this, so I'm going to show you the best way to check WordPress error logs. And that is with a plugin called WP Debug Toolkit. I'll go ahead and activate that. Once that's active, I can go over to Debug Toolkit in the WordPress admin menu, and I need to make sure the viewer is installed. It'll walk you through everything you need to do, including setting up a password. Once that's done, everything will be ready to go. We can open the viewer, enter our password, and now we'll see a much easier to view log. We can also filter the results. As you can see here, I've got it filtered down to only fatal errors. So if you're wondering, how do I check WordPress error logs? This is the best way. And the reason WP Debug Toolkit is the best way to check WordPress error logs is not just because of the nice log viewer with filtering and search options, but the crash recovery area. If we open this up, you can see that we actually have the ability to isolate plugins and themes. So in a case where this error wasn't just on the posts page, and in fact you were locked out of the entire WordPress admin dashboard, you'd be able to come into here, check your logs, find the culprit, go into crash recovery, and disable the plugin or theme that's breaking things. And that's only possible because WP Debug Toolkit's viewer runs independently of WordPress. So even when WordPress is down, you can get in here and recover. So to summarize, if you need to know how do I check WordPress error logs, you can either do it the kind of old school manual way, or you can use the best method, which is WP Debug Toolkit.